Hey, good afternoon, everybody. I'm meteorologist Jesse Huila with a live update here as we have a new severe thunderstorm warning that was issued. A small area, it's a small thunderstorm that's likely producing a lot of really small hails, like pea-sized hail, but the real threat of this thunderstorm, it's the wind. There could be some winds 50 to 60 miles per hour. Again, a real small little thunderstorm near Burleson. This is moving northeast pretty quickly, so it'll move toward the Mansfield and kind of near the Cedar View area here shortly. There's the track of it. It moves to Bisbee at 2:30, Mansfield 2:33, Britain 2:38. If it holds together, Cedar Hill just before 3 o'clock. So the risk right now, just some heavy rain, small hail, lots of small hail, pea-sized hail, and some gusty winds. 50 to 60 miles per hour. That's it. That's the only severe thunderstorm we have. We'll see if it holds together. We have just light rain falling in eastern Tarrant County near the HEB area from the Colony, Little Elm up to Salina, Frisco, McKinney soon enough, right along 380, seeing some heavy rain. All the heavier thunderstorms now east of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. You can see some heavy rain in Terrell right now, quickly moving to the east toward Lake Tawakoni. But again, there's that severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Johnson and Tarrant County. It's a small little thunderstorm, but it is packing a punch with winds as it crosses I-35W here in just a moment. Burleson, Mansfield, Cedar Hill, all in the path of that thunderstorm that could have winds of 50 to 60 miles an hour. This is it. Okay, so we're kind of entering the backside of our chance of rain for the rest of today. All of the widespread rain and thunderstorm activity is now in eastern portions of North Texas and East Texas. Dallas-Fort Worth area, you see this little, we're going to draw this line right here. All right, here it is, this axis right here, all the way from Cleburne up to Sherman. That's it, that's the back end of this. So that tail end of it, that's where that little thunderstorm warning is in place for parts of Johnson and Tarrant County. That is for the wind threat. That will continue to move east. Behind it, rapid clearing. So let's say 4 o'clock for the Metroplex. We're likely breaking out into sunshine fairly quickly. The thunderstorm activity moves east of the Metroplex. Look at 4 o'clock. Look at this. See the clouds? So the back end of the clouds and rain right through Dallas at 4 p.m. The rest of North Texas is sunny at this point as dry air pushes in very quickly behind this little Pacific front. Canton, Mineola, Clarksville, down to Athens and Tyler by 5 p.m. And this is all in East Texas and out of the state for the most part, minus southeast Texas by 7 p.m. So, or at least our region, we're going to be in the clear. Cold front moves in later tonight. We finally fall into the 50s overnight tonight. It'll be the first time we've done it all fall. That's a record for waiting that long for DFW to fall into the 50s. But we will see that behind the cold front. In the meantime, that risk of severe weather today, it's very low for the Metroplex. We're seeing that one little thunderstorm, Johnson and Tarrant counties. Once that's over, that's all for the rest of today. The severe risk and the thunderstorm chances migrate to eastern portions of North Texas. And that'll be it for the rest of the afternoon. So about 2 to 3 more hours of a chance of rain for all of North Texas, about an hour or so for a chance of rain for the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And then we get to enjoy a quiet rest of the night with cooler temperatures on the way. That's the latest on your forecast. Again, we have that severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Tarrant and Johnson counties. We'll keep you updated throughout the afternoon.